Hey Sarah, how's it going over there at One Roofing? This is Terrence with High Road SEO, and I was just doing some research on your company here, and just wanted to just send you over these three quick tips you guys can start using today to start ranking your competition. All right, I don't like to waste anyone's time here, so if by the end of this short video, you feel that the information that I've shared can help increase traffic to your site and grow your business, then I would love to chat with you. If not, please feel free to start using this information today to start outranking your competition. All I ask is that you give me some feedback at the end of the video, if you wouldn't mind. All right, so going to be talking about three quick things: content, citations, and backlinks. All right, so content's any words on the first page here, any pictures, what's behind the pictures, even what your pictures are saved as is included in the content. All right, so definitely want to make sure that any pictures that we have saved on our site are being saved under keywords that our consumers are searching for on Google. All right, very important. Also want to make sure that we have at least 1,500 words of content on the first page. And I know this may seem a little wordy, but this is going to allow us to be able to work in the appropriate number of keywords and phrases that we need to start ranking on these top pages. All right, so that's content. Secondly is citations. And a citation is any business directory online where your address is registered and can be found by a consumer. All right, so Google, Facebook, Yahoo, YouTube, any of these websites where your address is registered is considered a citation. And citations help us by being able to rank on what's called the map pack on the first page of Google for any keywords that our customers are searching for. Obviously, the top three businesses in these positions will have increased traffic to their site. Now, how do we get here? We have a tool to see exactly how many citations we have as opposed to our competition. So the name of the game is coming in not only matching what our competition is doing, but we want to get more citations than our competition, make sure that our Google My Business listing is optimized correctly here, and then we can begin to outrank them and start taking this traffic. All right, now thirdly is backlinks. And backlinks are the holy grail of how we get organic traffic to our site. And a backlink essentially is another website that is linking back to our website. And what this does is gives us relevance, power, authority in Google's eyes, so we can begin to rank on these top pages. Now we also have a tool to see how we're stacked up to our competition here as well. We plug in our information here. We can see that we have 43 referring domains, 478 backlinks. We're being found for 230 keywords, bringing us 165 organic visitors to our site. Now, if we look at one of the top competitors in the area, they have over 200 referring domains, 735 backlinks. They're being found for almost 900 keywords, bringing them over 650 organic visitors to their site every single month. Now, the beauty about this tool is we can come in and see exactly what referring domains our competition are getting their backlinks from. So just like with the citations, we can come in and match exactly what our competition is doing here in regards to their powerful backlinks, and then get more powerful, more relevant, more authoritative backlinks coming to our site so we can begin to outrank them and start taking this traffic. And I have to ask you guys, you had over 650 organic visitors or more coming to your site right now every single month. What do you think that would do for your business? All right, so with that, I hope this helps you. I hope this opens up the opportunity of what's available. And if you feel that me and my team can help you get there, then I would love to chat with you. I'll leave it in the description, but my number is 323-675-7483. And I hope you have a great day and speak to you soon.